Can a good board make the difference between your stock price? Well, apparently it can. I'm here with James Drury. He's the founder of James Drury Partners. You've done a study and you've determined that not necessarily being a big company, having a big board is going to reflect in a good stock price.
No, it's really what we believe in is that the quality of the business acumen in the boardroom is what drives corporate governance capacity. Without significant business acumen in the boardroom, the directors don't really fully understand the complex business decisions that they're overseeing being made.
Drury devised a way to measure boards. Board members with large amounts of business experience, like CFOs, gave the board a heavy weight, while academic board members are lighter.
So then we said, I wonder if there's any correlation between board weight and shareholder stock performance.
Drury was surprised that some small companies had heavy boards, while some global large cap names were light.
And then the largest companies had very low board weights, much less than you'd expect. Berkshire Hathaway is one of them, Walmart's one of them, Ford is one of them, JP Morgan Chase is one of them. And so we grouped those 30, and lo and behold, we found significant difference in stock performance. And if I remember the numbers correctly, over the last 5 years, I think the greater than expected group had a 29% stock appreciation over the last 5 years. The less than expected, 16%, still positive, but a gap of about 13%.
I was shocked when I saw some big boards like ExxonMobil had no CFO on the board. You would think every board would have a finance person sitting there to look at the numbers.
It is surprising. We recruit CFOs to join boards, and we place CFOs on boards. And it is harder than I don't know what's going on there, but only I think 11% of the board directors are active or retired CFOs or past public accountants, but they represent only 24% of the audit committees. They're not thinking that we ought to have an active CFO on our board, somebody that really can look at our numbers from the outside like we hope our CFO is doing. So we're trying to bring that into the awareness stream because we think it's a real shortcoming. So and we found this with our study last year as well, and only the differences were even more significant. So there does appear to be a correlation. Good governance capacity does impact shareholder value.
All right, well, when you're looking at those stocks to buy and you're doing your homework, that's one thing you need to look at as well. Don't just look at the revenue, don't just look at the profit. Look at that board, see how it's made up, because that may change your mind when you're looking at that stock.
This market has fewer players.
We're coming into a Monday where we're going
would enter in a new stage at SEC.
It's a stock picker's market.
Welcome to the 5 dumbest things
Apple
on Wall Street.
reported earnings.